Hi everyone, welcome to DC Live. I'm gonna show you beautiful Dubai sunset. The sun has already set between buildings, but और एक फाउंटेन शो भी चल रहा है यहाँ पे. We are overlooking बुर्ज खलीफा. ये पेड़ बीच में है, so you won't be able to see the entire thing, but it's quite beautiful to see. And this is a view from the balcony. I'm gonna take you back to the room. So this is our third day of quarantine. We still have 3 or 4 more days left. I think we are in quarantine until 28th. We get our final test done on 28th and then we can begin training. So if you have any questions, please shoot. I'll try to answer it as well as I can. Where the song was playing, so like I told you, there was a fountain show going on at Burj Khalifa. ये I think 6:30 बजे शुरू होता है and it happens every hour, once every hour. और they play this. I think it's a classical composition जो बजाते हैं ये, and to that tune fountain show होता है. Where is Pant? Pant is in his room. We are not allowed to go into each other's room at the moment. Harshal, how are you? I'm well, buddy. How are you? Hope you're all doing well, keeping safe. रबाड़ा आ गया? नहीं, रबाड़ा इज़ नॉट हियर येट. अगर आप हिंदी में बात करें तो कुछ सवाल. बिल्कुल जी, आप बताएं, हिंदी में बात करेंगे. What is your name? My name is Harshal Patel. We are waiting for people to join in. Hello sir, how are you? I'm well. How are you? Enjoy your tour. Thank you. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. Guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm only here for 15-20 minutes, so make use of the time. Where are you? हम दुबई में हैं. आपकी फेवरेट फीमेल क्रिकेटर? आई थिंक शेफाली वर्मा. शी इज़ फ्रॉम हरियाणा, तो मेरी स्टेट से हैं, तो डेफिनेटली मेरी फेवरेट प्लेयर है. प्रैक्टिस सेशंस कब चालू होंगे? आई डोंट नो फॉर श्योर, पर 28 को हमारा क्वारंटीन ख़त्म हो रहा है, तो उसके बाद प्रॉब्ली 1 या 2 दिन में शुरू होगा. आई एम अ बिग DC फैन. थैंक यू वेरी मच अनिल. हिंदी में बात करेंगे। आप अगर हिंदी में पूछेंगे तो हिंदी में बात करूँगा। हाउ many days in quarantine? So we have to do 7 days in quarantine. What is your favorite song? मेरा फेवरेट सॉन्ग, एक सॉन्ग का नाम लेना तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, बट वन ऑफ माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स इज शाइन ऑन यू क्रेजी डायमंड्स बाय पिंक फ्लॉयड. Let me take you out again. जिन लोगों ने लेट ज्वाइन किया है, आई जस्ट वांट टू शो यू दिस व्यू. दिस इज बुर्ज खलीफा. I love your bowling action. Thank you. Thank you very much. There's a boat going. दर्शक आएंगे क्या? नहीं, दर्शक नहीं आएंगे मेरे हिसाब से, although I'm not sure. Delhi will definitely win this IPL. Thank you very much. When will players of England and Australia will be available? I don't know. I think उनका सीरीज़ है, जब ख़त्म होगा तब आएंगे. I think. About Ryan Harris. Ryan Harris is one of my favorite Australian bowlers, and I'm really excited to work with him. I loved his action. I loved his intensity on the field. और कोशिश करूँगा कुछ सीख पाऊँ उनसे. आपको किसने कहा वीडियो सेव करने के लिए? That's my admin. That's DC admin. Your favorite color? Black. Game plan against माही भाई? That's a good question. माही भाई के अगेंस्ट गेम प्लान बनाएंगे अभी. All the best. Thank you. भाई पहला मैच किससे है? अभी शेड्यूल आया नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से, तो जब आएगा तभी पता लगेगा. When is the New Jersey coming? Pretty soon, I think. तुषार देशपांडे is asking what's for dinner tonight. डिनर में तो भाई दाल चावल ही है अभी. Which is your home ground in UAE? I don't know. Hello from Nepal. Hi from UAE. क्या फाइनल में आओगे? होपफुली. Your opinion about Ashwin? One of the greatest spinners India's ever had, for sure. One of the smartest cricketers I know, and really looking forward to playing with him. How many grounds in UAE? 3, I think. Toughest batsman to bowl to would be, I think, AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli, David Warner. I don't have to bowl to Rishabh, so advantage है वो. यार एक सबको मैं बता दूं, मैं अपने रूम में हूँ और बाकी सारे प्लेयर अपने रूम में हैं, तो प्लीज़ डोंट आस्क ये कहाँ है वो कहाँ है. हाउ इज़ द जोश? वेरी वेरी हाई. Your favorite CSK player? I think you know the answer to that question. Your IPL best with the ball, 3 for 28, and with the bat, 36 of 16, not out. What's your jersey number? My jersey number is 13. Has Rabada come? Not yet. Obvious answers. Obvious questions, obvious answers. सबके रूम अलग अलग है. जी हाँ सर. हु टीम विल विन? यार ये पता होता तो आईपीएल कराते क्यों फिर. कैलाश ही पूछ रहे हैं कि कौन आईपीएल जीतेगा. ये तो अब 10 नवंबर को ही पता चलेगा. How are you, DC? DC is very excited for IPL. Playing PUBG? Yes, definitely. Your Indian home state? I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, but I play for Haryana, so I have 2 home states. Delhi versus Mumbai, waiting for it. We are waiting as well. Patel bhai jeet lena is बार. We'll try our best for sure. Meaning of my name, I don't know. कभी सर्च नहीं किया. यूजी भैया बहुत फॉर्म में है. यूजी भैया हमेशा फॉर्म में होते हैं. Dubai, how's Dubai? Dubai is very hot, very beautiful. Favorite Mumbai Indians player? There are 3, I think. Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya, and Jasprit Bumrah. प्रैक्टिस सेशंस कब स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं डीसी के? लाइक आई सेड, एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं है, बट 28 को हमारा क्वारंटीन पीरियड ख़त्म हो रहा है. सो होपफुली 29 या 30 को प्रैक्टिस शुरू होगी. अपने साथ किसी को लीजिए ना. नहीं ले सकता यार. क्वारंटीन का मतलब ही है कि रूम में अकेला रहना है. Rain chances in Dubai. I don't know. It doesn't rain much in Dubai, so hopefully. आईपीएल की डेट है 19 सितंबर टू 10 नवंबर. फेवरेट आरसीबी प्लेयर एवी डिविलियर्स एंड विराट कोहली. This time Delhi will win IPL. Thank you very much. I hope that happens as well. Guys, I'm here only for another 5 minutes. So if you have any questions, please ask. Your favorite IPL team apart from DC? I like to watch Mumbai and Chennai both. So yeah. તમારી બોલિંગ સ્પીડ કેટલી છે? Anywhere from 125 to 135, 140. Where are you from? I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Your 36 not out against CSK still my favorite. Thank you. बोलना भाई, पंत किधर है? पंत अपने रूम में है मेरे भाई. Your idol in cricket? MS Dhoni. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a tour of my room, and then I'm gonna go. So I showed you all the balcony. This is the room. These are my training equipments for the quarantine. I have some bands, some kettlebells. This is my kit bag. This is my coffee station. This is where I make my coffee. And these are my bats. And that's it. Thank you all for joining in. Keep supporting us, and we are really looking. See you soon on the field. Cheers.